Hello, this is Paul Hubbard Estate Agents. Today we are here on Nightingale Road in sought after Pakefield, looking to show you this stunning detached 5/6 bedroom family home, sitting prominently facing the sea, offering beautiful views. To the front here we have a sweeping brick weaved driveway offering ample off-road parking. Leads to a detached garage. Lovely quiet road. We have a integral porch, UPVC double glazed tile flooring and door which opens into a very spacious inner hallway. Off of hallway we have stairs leading up to the first floor landing, doors opening into a spacious lounge, ground floor shower room, kitchen and into study. This study could also be used as an additional bedroom, making this a 6-bedroom family home. We have a bay UPVC window front facing there. Laminate flooring. Lovely fireplace. Here we have a modern ground floor shower room. White suite, heated towel rail, and a mains fed shower there. Let's take a look into this lovely light and airy lounge. Another bay window there front facing, carpet flooring, feature cast iron wood burner. We have a lovely opening there into the dining area. And here we have 2 sets of French doors that open into a lovely rear garden, tile flooring, so much space, perfect for the growing family really, which then opens back into the kitchen area. We have a door off of the kitchen to a utility. UPVC window there, side facing, tile flooring, range master cooker, plenty of cabinets above and below work surfaces. Let's take a look in the garden. So here we have a garden that is perfect, easy maintenance, lovely tidy brick weaved seating area and raised laid lawn garden. Access there into the garage, not overlooked. Lovely feature tree there. Let's take a look at the rear elevation. Here we are. Such a beautiful house, so many lovely rooms with such light. It's such a quiet road. You don't hear any cars, nothing. It's lovely. So if you follow me, we'll take a little look upstairs. We have carpeted stairs leading up to that first floor. Again, lovely window to side aspect there. Which then opens onto family landing. Off of landing, we've got doors opening to 4 bedrooms and family bathroom, along with ample storage and a second stairwell leading up to 2nd floor. Here we have window rear facing, laminate flooring, fitted sink there. Bedroom 4, again UPVC double glazed window rear facing, carpet flooring. Here we are into family bathroom, tile flooring, modern white suite, panelled bath with a mains fed shower. This property benefits from 2 family bathrooms, 1 bathroom, 1 shower room. It also has an additional 2 en suites. So let me show you bedroom 1 here. Beautiful room. Lovely big window, boasting gorgeous sea views there. Carpet flooring. Doors open into ensuite, another modern white suite, mains fed shower, and door which opens into a little walk-in wardrobe. Here we have bedroom 2. Again, another lovely light and airy room, boasting exactly the same views, stunning sea views as bedroom 1. Door then opens into another ensuite, another modern white suite, mains fed shower again. We will take a little look upstairs. It's a lovely stairwell up here, which opens onto a really lovely little landing. Window side facing, doors to eave storage, and door then opens to bedroom 5. So this gorgeous detached family home, 5 to 6 bedrooms, home study, separate dining area, really good sized rooms throughout, plenty of parking, family bathroom, family shower room, 2 en suites, walking distance to Pakefield Beach, literally a stone's throw to Pakefield Beach. If you would like to book a viewing, please call the office today on 01502 531 218. Thank you.